guys, so I might have changed my thing a lot, but I'm actually going to stick with it, so I'm either doing funny, slime, makeup, or singing videos. And not lip singing, well, mostly kind of lip singing, but not really. But today, I'm actually not going to do one of those talking videos. I'm actually going to be talking about slime. Yeah, I'm going to list the pros and cons about it. And see what slime can really do better and not better. So let's get started. Yeah, so, well, we already listed one thing, sticky. That's one thing about it. So, unfortunately, we don't have glue. So, we don't have glue, so I can't make slime. But this is my favorite one. It's actually really stretchy and sticky. Kick it off. It's actually very, well, yeah, this one still needs a little work. But, luckily, I have this one right here. It's my taking off slime when I'm bored. Takes off all the stick. That's how I got this big. It came off of this one. This one kind of sucks. But it will be our, like, pro and fun. But is it bouncy? I added water to it, so that's one of the reasons. So, is slime bouncy? Well, this one is zooming up. Is this one bouncy? I'm gonna close this. Not really. Ooh, is it squishy? Well, it's not. Oh, wait, okay. Okay. Nope, no. Okay, that's. No. Okay, let me take it off. Okay. How about this one? This one's actually very pretty. Okay, let on a little secret. I didn't make this one. My friend did. Her name's Kaya. She has a video called Starring Everything. And, so subscribe to her, subscribe to me, whatever. She actually made this one. It turned out very good. I'm actually starting to regret keeping this one, but it looks so beautiful. Look at it. That's one of my favorite parts about slime. So, clear glue kind of works, so white glue kind of works, but not that much. But this kind of works. Sometimes it's sticky and stuff, but I love how it comes out. This one didn't actually look like this. It just, actually really didn't look like this. It looked like like, you know how you do white glue and, it looks kind of weird? It looked like that. But now, it looks like this beautiful, majestic slime that gets stuck to your hands and still a working process. Yeah, all of them. This one actually looked like, I actually put shaving cream in this one. Bad mistake, because I'm not doing that again with the clear glue. It used to be exactly like the green one, but now it's like more like a, more like a stress ball. Did I get it off your hand? It's like more like a stress ball. This one is like this one and a little bit of this one, but it's actually very calm and relaxing. And doesn't get stuck in, no, I'm kidding, it will. So tell me what you guys want me to do, and, it could be like making slime, it could be playing with slime, or it could even be makeup. I actually kind of want to do slime more though. So, ooh, it could be a ball. Like, I don't want to put it there. Yeah, it can be just like about anything, really. What I like about slime is that you can like do creative stuff. You can like, ooh, you can mix it. I actually really want to make like a little I actually want to make like a slime where you put like this one together, like like, you know, like a rainbow slime, kind of like where it's like you have one color, then another, then another. Yeah, I really want to do one of those. Then you can't like pick it up and go like, nah, because then the color gets messed up and it looks all like this, like a grayish kind of look color. Yeah. Yeah. Give this one back. Darn it. So yeah, please subscribe, and I promise I will do more stuff. Actually, wait, I'm not done. Yeah, I'm not gonna be done. Actually, yeah, I am. So please subscribe, and I can actually change it. Notify me, like, comment on me. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. I'm not pushing it. It's like, oh, please subscribe. But, actually put a comment saying if you just want me to do slime makeup, probably not funny videos because I still have to work on that. I have to edit it again. But, tell me, what do you want to do? And I promise when I actually find glue, like, I made these at my friend's house. When I actually find like the little glue, I will actually make slime for you guys. So, yeah. Well, that did not just fall. Bye. Oh no! I don't need to do that. There. Bye, guys. Please subscribe or not. I'm awesome. Bye. Slime. Okay, bye guys.